Hello professionals! Welcome once again to my procurement mentoring session. I'm Dennis Santamaria, your procurement mentor. Now, the first thing that you should do when you are hired as a procurement professional is to memorize the procurement processes of your company. Memorize by heart the procurement policies of your company. By doing so, you will be able to show that you are knowledgeable and reliable in this field. You deserve the position and you are cut above the rest. And then two, you will be able to run the sourcing activities compliant with the procurement policies and procedures of the company. Another is you will be able to give sound advice, judgment, or decision whenever there are concerns on your sourcing activities, concerns on your procurement evaluation, concerns on your recommendation. Lastly, you will be able to introduce improvements on the existing procurement policies and procedures. Remember, show them that you are cut above the rest. You deserve the position and you are the best person for the job. Remember, first impression lasts. Follow me for more procurement mentoring.